Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Melly. If you are new here, hi, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm gonna be doing something so exciting. You already saw the thumbnail, you already saw the title. Yes, I'm going to be attempting to crochet the famous Pinterest dress that you guys saw my last video. I talked about it. I really want that dress. I've been wanting it ever since I saw it on Pinterest, but it's sold out. Like of course it's sold out, right? Like of course, like everyone wants it because it's so pretty. I thought, why not try to crochet it? I actually got inspired by this girl. I forgot her username, cute as a button, I think it is. I don't know, but yes, I got inspired by her because I was looking up for a pattern of crocheting a dress. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should definitely go follow me. It's at Melly_Mel with 2 L7. I'll have it in the description box below. I posted that I'm learning to crochet because I really wanted to make those super cute bucket hats, and I bought a lot of yarn and I started crocheting. So these are some of the stuff that I've made so far. Crocheting is definitely very time consuming. So I made this little bucket hat. She is so cute. I also made this one. This is a bucket hat as well. This one's just pink and red. Sorry, Milo. And right now I'm actually making one for my friend. So yeah, that's just kind of what I've been doing. So obviously finding the exact color yarn as this dress was kind of hard because obviously it's not going to be completely the same color. So I ended up getting this green, which I think matches the dress perfectly. Like, it's just the perfect green. I thought this was going to be a little whiter, but it turned out to be a little more creamier. So you know what, it's like, it's fine. It's totally fine. Like, you can just, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then for the pink, I actually ended up getting a pink. I thought I was getting like a spring colored pink, like a bubblegum pink, but I guess it does look bubblegum colored, but like it's just, she's pink, you know, she's like bright pink. I definitely do think like maybe this pink would have been better, but like then again, I don't know. I can make another one. It's totally fine. Anyway, this is so far. I kind of cheated. Like, I already kind of started because I was too excited to wait. But this is what it's looking like so far. I don't know. Like, the colors are not exactly the same like the dress. I am completely aware of that. But I think it's looking so good so far. I don't know how long. Like, this took me like 3 days, but I took breaks, so like I would just do it like for 2 hours and then I would just do whatever else and I'd forget about the dress. So I would say that this dress would probably take me about 2 days if I worked on it non-stop continuously. But yeah, so if you know how to double crochet, you're good to go. Like, you'll be fine. So for my dress, I've been using this hook right here. This is a 5mm hook. You can use a smaller one. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna keep on like double crocheting. So I left off like right here. I'm just gonna finish off. A lot of people ask me like, how come you like crocheting? Like, it's really hard to crochet. But I don't know, like I never really thought about crocheting ever. Like, I would always like see people knitting and stuff and I never found it to be interesting. Like, I would always be like, why do people do that? That's so boring. Like, I just never found it interesting. But you know, when the whole trend with the bucket hat started, I was like, I want to kind of try and make that. And I remember telling my mom, like, Mom, I'm gonna start crocheting, and she looked at me like are you sure you want to do that? Like, it's really hard. And I'm like, I want to try it. Like, I just was very curious, and you guys know I love arts and crafts, so I wanted to. And I went out, I got the hook, I got the yarn, and I was like, okay, I have no idea how I'm gonna do this, but I searched up tutorials on YouTube. Thankfully, there are amazing tutorials online. And yeah, I think I was watching ℚ𝕠𝕤𝕜 or something like that. I think that's her YouTube name. She's amazing. She's a great teacher. And definitely when I first started crocheting, it was very hard for me because, you know, obviously I've never done it before. So it was something new, and learning all the stitches was also kind of confusing. Like there's a single crochet, and then there's double, treble, half double crochet. You know, it's like all these terms that you're probably like, what the heck is she talking about? But yeah, it's just, honestly, I think it's a really beautiful way to spend your time. Like I honestly really do enjoy crocheting. A lot of people just do it maybe because it's their job or something, like to sell stuff. I don't know. But I personally love crocheting because it's kind of like therapeutic for me. Whenever I'm having a bad day, I'm just like, let me crochet. Let me do something. And like when I'm crocheting, I just forget about everything. I focus on making the pattern and like on the stitches. Like it's just, I honestly really enjoy it, and I can't wait to make more stuff like anything else like that, you know, might take a longer time to do than this dress. But I don't know, I'm just excited to make more clothing pieces, and I also want to be able to sell these. I think that'd be so amazing if I was able to sell it for you guys, like, you know, just sell some of these pieces and have you guys wearing what I made. I think that would be so cool, and I would definitely want to try that. So I think I'm going to be opening up my own little crochet shop. Let me know in the comment section down below if I should, because I really want to, and I'm gonna need all your guys' support for that to happen, because I feel like it's so hard to make your own business nowadays, and like I think this is something that I really enjoy and I really want to try. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Definitely want to sell like different stuff, like dresses and like little hats and even purses, even little cardigans. Like it's very time consuming, like it really is. Like you have to be super fast with crocheting to get it done like quickly, but it does take a lot of time because, you know, you have to like go in every stitch and do a certain amount of stitches and everything. So it's not easy, it's really not. It's difficult, but I love it. I think it's just so beautiful. So okay, now I'm gonna like time lapse this because it's gonna take forever. Alright guys, so I'm back. It's the next day, and I already finished doing the little bra. This is what it looks like. It's like the little part that's gonna like, you know what I mean? And this is what the dress is looking like so far. It's like the bottom half. I'm so excited to finish this dress off. You guys have no idea. It's like my dream come true. So I'm really excited, and if you guys want to know how to do this, it's really simple. Like it's actually really easy. I know it looks kind of like weird and difficult, but all you're really gonna do is you start off like this. It starts off looking like this. It's like just one stripe, and pretty much what you do is you chain 22, and then you chain 2 extra ones, and then you do a double crochet into the 4th row, and then you just go double crocheting all the way down, and then you get like up to this. So once you get to like this round, then you do like 5 double crochets into the same stitch, and then once you get there, you're pretty much just gonna crochet all the way back, like all the way back down. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to change colors. And what you're gonna be doing, like I said, if you guys go ahead and go watch that video, the video I think is like an hour long if I'm not mistaken, but she really goes into depth with everything. But anyway, I'm gonna just go ahead and time lapse me doing the little bra, and then I'll show you guys the end results. Okay, so this is what it should look like, just like a little whatever this is. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and get your next color. So I'm doing green because obviously that's what the bra on the dress looks like. It's just cream and then green and then pink and then cream and then green and then pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my green yarn, And all you're pretty much going to be doing to color change is just slip stitch into the last stitch that you created. Honestly, this dress has taken pretty long. Like, I didn't think it was going to be this. Like, I didn't think, well, obviously it's so many stitches and it is really time consuming. Okay guys, so here's the dress. I sewed the bra onto the dress, and I do want to say something really quickly. So the dress originally has 18 stripes, and as you can see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is where it would stop, and I was supposed to sew it on there, but the dress was looking a little short on me, and I wanted it to be more kind of like right below my knee, so I added these 3 stripes extra. Sorry, not 3. I added 6 more stripes. So I added 3 doubles and then 3 singles. You don't have to do that, because obviously if you just wanted the size of the dress that it originally is, then you could just go with 18 stripes. But anyway, just thought I'd let you guys know it is a little bit different because I wanted it to be a little bit longer. I just sewed this, and all I did was just just sew it with yarn. So I'm gonna do the same thing with that other one, and then we're gonna finish off by making the strap, and then we're good to go. Alright guys, so I just finished making the straps, and this is what the straps look like. Pretty much all I did was why is it not focusing? Single crochets, and then for the outer part I just alternated between singles and doubles just to create like a ruffly edge. And then I sewed it right here. I like it, but I think I should definitely sew the bra together. I mean, if that's just your style, like if you like, cleavage showing, I'm not a big fan of that. Obviously, we like to keep it modest here. So, but yeah, I really like the dress, and I think it looks really cute. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me trying to knit this dress. I think it's really beautiful. Definitely time consuming. It's so annoying, but definitely worth it. So I definitely want to try it with more colors. So let me know down below what you guys think, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because it took so long to make. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep seeing more of my videos. I love you guys so much. God bless you. God loves you. Show love. Bye.
Show love, show love, show love. Show love, show love, show love. Let them hate all they want. Show love. And when you finally come out,